We are going to have question and answer section. I'm inviting the presenters, so speakers. I think only one group had two. I think we have a seat in availability only for one. Say, for both? All of them? Yeah, all right. All of them can come. The total time allowed, we are running out of time, 10 minutes for the question and answer. And while they are sitting, I am sure we might not have a lot of question and answers, because normally after the lunch is a sleeping session, not working session. The sleeping means brains runs low. Not understand it much, but anyway, I am sure some of them were not sleeping. Do we have this space? Audience, we have good amount of audience, professors, senior lecturers, and our students. I see look like they were entering what we are presenting. Some of our students with laptops.
About your pineapples, how you use same pineapples? Are they all the same variety, or do you look at different varieties of pineapples? Do you see any difference that you offer?
In pineapple market, as I see,
Different varieties, do they have the same feature or different features?
they have different features, but for the fruit market, normally fruit consumers, Sri Lankan consumers use Murusi Annaji. So I've done my data analysis on Murusi. Also, my data analysis not based on 10 pineapples. It was three sets of 10 pineapples. First were 2 trials. So I used Murusi 3 sets with 10 pineapples. 10 pineapples. Yes. First 2 was trials, and from the last one I got the results I presented.
Consume what you're saying is all the pineapples are in the market on this multiplied, and they are not, there is no big variation of the type. They are basically all the same type.
Especially mainly large scale fruit consumers, they use Q type. There were pineapples Q and Murusi. So they don't have, both Q and Murusi don't have much considerable difference. So I used Murusi Annasi only. Yes. Yes. Okay, that's fine. Diffuse reflectance, yes. Pineapple area of beam, it was a lightning was a white LED panel on the pineapple surface. Yes. 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 Yeah, I know. The same lightning panel I've used, but I don't remember the area. Yes.
Suppose 1 by 1 qualify something like that. Now, my question is, every day the surface of the pineapple is changing. Okay, then how do you correct the beams, correct the intensity or the variation of the surface?
Yes, for that error, yes, color intensity variation. For that error, I used basic method. I used black reference and the bright reference. I got pictures to black using a black panel and a white panel, and by dividing them, like the sample. If I take bright reference like B, dark reference by D, then D minus, my sample is S, D minus S divided by B minus S. That was the error, that was the reduction. Yes. Yeah, that is what I am trying to observe. Fruit maturity, the surface color, how the surface and the surface color changes with the fruit maturity. Then, because I am reducing the color intensity, and also I am giving the same color, same light beam, so I can have a data with the difference, with that difference, because my surface is changing, but I am giving the same lightning.
Wing body is a combination of a wing and a body in the sense a fuselage of the aircraft. So instead of modeling a single wing, we are trying to model the wing plus the fuselage, which gives you, it's a very close assumption of the entire aircraft. We are actually modeling a real wing body which has the constant surface area. So I'm sorry, I don't get the question. Yes, we know the surface area. No, I'm sorry, I didn't get it.
Actually, we are trying to model the existing one. We have not gone for any optimization or anything. Improvement. Yeah, improvement. That can be,
One other thing is, since you were talking about the changing of an area, now, as I said, we are working with non-dimensional coefficients. So lift, drag and moment, all these things are non-dimensional. Mach number is non-dimensional. Reynolds number is non-dimensional. So for all changes in velocities, areas, whatever that we change, the properties, our coefficients are going to remain the same. So that is why we are using non-dimensional coefficients. So it takes into account any changes that will happen in the environment or the free stream conditions. So in that case, we will have to model a separate model for that particular wing body combination. So we were looking at this one particular wing body combination of a specific aircraft.